back, everyone. Here's a look at our Grand Forks home of Economy Skycam, seeing some light, steady rain showers across the Northern Valley heading into our evening. That'll continue here for a little bit. We've had a little bit of a break in the heavier rain activity in parts of the Central and Southern Valley, but we're seeing some additional showers and thunder showers moving in from the south. A few through a couple of our South Dakota counties, just southeast of Britain through Marshall County. Meanwhile, a little thunderstorm here just about to move into Grant and Douglas County, moving through Morris, Minnesota. Might be a little bit on the stronger side. We'll keep an eye on it here over the next couple of hours. Here's a look at radar indicated rainfall over the last 24 hours. Those pinpoints in yellow, that's where radar is estimating 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall. And here's some of the reports that we've got. Most of these courtesy of the North Dakota Agricultural Weather Network. More than 2 inches of rain just today in Staples, Minnesota. A little over 1.5 inches in Glendon. North Fargo at NDSU. 1.32, 1.23, a report from Keith in North Moorhead, our official Moorhead observer. Castleton, just over 1 inch. Here at our station in South Fargo, went out and measured a little under 0.7 of an inch, so not quite as much as the north end of town picked up today. More rain, though, is in store, more widespread heavy rain for tomorrow. So we still have that first alert weather day. The risk of severe is low, but we are looking at potential for excessive rainfall. Here's the latest update from the Weather Prediction Center for the risk for flash flooding. All areas highlighted in yellow, that's at least a 15% risk of flash flood. Yes, we absolutely need the rain. You might be thinking, how can we have flash flooding when we're in a drought? Well, so much rain at once, the ground can't keep up and absorb it all. Here's what we're looking at in your hour-by-hour forecast. A few more thunder showers continuing in the southern Red River Valley. Activity weakening, lightening up a little bit by about 8, 9 o'clock tonight as it shifts to the east. So a little bit of a break for some of us before the next round right on our heels. This moves in overnight and into tomorrow morning. So waking up in parts of the Southern Valley and southeastern North Dakota to some heavy rain, some thunderstorm activity. This pushes to the north and east through the day. And you see those blue arrows, those are our wind arrows kind of spinning around. That's the center of low pressure. And with the center of low pressure, might see a little bit of a break in the heavier rain activity. But that's going to continue to spin around, and the rain and storms will essentially wrap around the low pressure system. So even if we see a little bit of a break in the mid-afternoon hours, additional showers and storms will be popping up late afternoon, through the evening, through the overnight, and into Sunday morning before this system finally shifts off and brings us some drier conditions by Sunday afternoon and evening. Here's another look at that rainfall potential, heaviest from northern Minnesota through the Central Valley down into southeastern North Dakota. And this includes what's already fallen today. So totals for today, tomorrow, and into Sunday. Temperatures are on the cool side, 60s and 70s, and that's about where we'll be tomorrow as well. Your planning forecast, that first alert weather day for tomorrow. System exits Sunday, and we'll be windy behind it, Justin, gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Additional chances for rain and storms midweek, and then the 90s return heading into July.
We only got a little break from those.
Yeah.
Thanks, Summer.